Hello friends, I am Professor Vagmani Bia. Today we can see the practical number 14, that is study of morphological descriptions of important Kharif season crops. We can see the first one, morphology description of rice. That is in case of the rice, there are different parts, that is root, stem, leaves, then peduncle or the panicle or the spikelet. You can see here the crop, that is rice. So family belongs to Gramineae or Poaceae, then genus Oryza, then cultivated species of the rice, that is Oryza sativa, that is Asian rice, and the Oryza glaberrima, that is African rice. And the sativa species divided in the three subspecies, that is Indica, Japonica, and the Javanica. And the wild species, that is the total number of species of rice, that is 22. And the local name of rice, that is Bhaat. And the botanical description, rice is of self-pollinated crops, and this is a semi-aquatic plant and also consists of the orange chimatic tissues and the presence of the orange chimatic cells on the leaves and the culms and the roots can diffuse oxygen from the aerial parts downward to the roots, and the plants are also about the 1 meter tall. Then root system of the rice is fibrous, and soon after sowing, rice seed gives about the seminal roots out of this radicle, and the real functional roots are secondary adventious roots that are produced from the lower nodes of the curl. Next one, the botanical description in detail. That is, this is a self-pollinated crops, semi-aquatic, and they also contain the arachna chimatic cells with presence of these arachna chimatic cells of the leaves, culms, and the roots can diffuse oxygen from the aerial parts to the downward to the root. Then root system is also fibrous, and the soon after these functional roots of the especially secondary advanced roots that are produced from the lower nodes of the culm. The shoot system of this rice plant, the rice stem known as culm, and is hollow and made up of the node and the internodes. Each node bear a leaf and bud, which may grow in the shoot or the tiller. Primarily, tillers grow out of the main culm, and tillering continues in the rice up to the vegetative phase. And some of the tillers die during the reproductive phase due to the competition for the nutrient and water. The panicles bearing tillers are known as fertile or productive tiller. Next one, the leaf. Each node of the culm bear a leaf. Each leaf consists of the following parts. That is leaf sheath, leaf blade, then auricle, then ligules, and the flag leaf. Next one, the panicle. Yeah, the inflorescence of rice plant is grown on the terminal shoot and is known as the panicle. And the spikelet is the floral unit and consists of the two sterile lemmas and the pellia and the flower. The lemma is a five nerve hardened bracts with the filiform extension known as the aven. Rice varieties may or may not have an aven. The pellia, it is the three nerve bracts slightly narrowed than the lemma, and the flower, it consists of six stamens with two cell anthers, and the pistils with one ovary and two stigmas. The pistils of the one ovule, that is a grain. Grain is the ripened ovary with lemma and the pilia firmly adhere to it, and the lemma and the pilia with the other smaller component from the hull are removed in the selling of rice for the consumption. And the rice fruit is a caropsis, which is a single seed is fused with the all of ovary, and the seed consists of the endosperm and the embryo. The embryo is very small, and the is found to the ventral side of the caropsis, and it contains plumule and the radicle. And the submergence in the water or the sowing of the radicle grows as a root, and plumule grows as a shoot. Next one, the morphology description of maize. The maize belongs to family Gramineae or Poaceae, and the genus, that is Zea, and the cultivated species of Zea, that is Zea maize, is divided into 7 groups based on the character of kernel. That is first one, Zea maize indurate, that is flint corn; Zea maize indenta, that is dent corn; Zea maize everta, that is popcorn; then Zea maize saccharide, that is sweet corn; that is Zea maize amelaceae, that is soft corn; then Zea maize tunicate, that is pod corn; then Zea maize Serratina pulis, that is waxy corn, and the local name of this maize, that is called as maca. You can say this is a plant that is 1 to 4 meter tall of maize, approximately 30 leaves, erect stalk like structure. It is a meristem, then sheath surrounding stalk, expanded blade or blade joint or the collar, and has node and internodes. Next one, the botanical description of maize. The maize is also called as Indian corn. Is a stout annual plant cultivated for grain during the rainy season, and it forms a staple food in some parts of the India. The roots are the fibrous type of or adventitious type of the roots are present in the maize, and the stems are stout, solid with distinct node and internodes. And the inflorescence are two types, that is terminal staminate compound raceme and the panicle and axillary pistillate spadix. And the male inflorescence, it consists of the many spikelets. The spikelet occur in the pairs. The lower one is sessile and the upper one is stalk. Each spikelet has two flowers. They have the four glooms. The female inflorescence is the spadix arising on the axils of the lower leaf. The large number of the spikelets are arranged closely on the flesh axis, forming what is that is the cob, and it remains surrounded by few large hyaline bracts called as the spathes. A large number of the fruits called as grain remains dense crowded on the spongy axis. Seeds are albuminous and the single cotyledons. Then scutellum serve as the absorbing organ, and the germination is a hypogeal type. This is a detailed image which indicates the male flower and the female flower, and they have the male spikelet and the stamen, then pistils, styles, and the ovary. And this is the cob with the silk, and this is an edge with desiccated flower, where they separated the stamens, lolicules, then pilia, then blooms, and there is bloom 1, bloom 2. Next one, the morphology description of sorghum. That is sorghum belongs to family Gramineae or Poaceae, genus that is sorghum, locally called as jowar or the jowari or jawari. Next one, the botanical description of the sorghum, that is plant roots. Root system of the sorghum extensively and have the many in root hairs, and the embryonic or primary root first appears up to the upon the germination, and the several research roots develops which are not branched or sparely branched, and these roots have developed the extensive root system of the plant. And the stem is made up of series of alternating nodes and internodes, and with the measuring 0.5 to 5 centimeter diameter near the base, and becoming narrower at the upper and varying in the length from 0.5 to 4 meter. And the leaves are variously distributed on the stem in the sorghum, and some types of they may be concentrated near the base, while the others they are more or less uniformly distributed. And leaves are borne at the different angles of the stem, varying from the almost vertical to near horizontal, and leaves may be long as 1 meter and may vary with the width that is 10 to 15 centimeter. The number of leaves vary greatly. That is, well adapted plants they are usually 14 to 17 leaves, but less adapted plants may have many as 30 leaves. Next, inflorescence or the panicle. The panicle may be short, compact, loose, or open. They 4 to 45 centimeter or more long, and 2 to 20 centimeter more or wide. The central axis of the panicle, the called as rachis, may be completely hidden by the density of the panicle branches or completely exposed. The rachis have different greatly in the shapes and the length from the long and thin to short and stubby. And this spikelet, a uniform unit of the inflorescence, the spikelet occurs in the pair. One spikelet is always fertile and sessile, and other is sterile and the pedicellate, except the terminal sessile spikelet, which is accompanied by two pedicellate spikelets. Then seeds, that is caropsis, seeds are more or less spherical in shape and varying to somewhat flattened to one side, and they range tremendously in the carp color, that is red, brown, white, yellow, or the cream, and have either dull or the purely luster, and the testa may be also the color, usually dark red to brown red. This is a floral part of this sorghum, that is stigma, anther, auripilia, then lodicle, then lemma. Then next crop, that is morphological description of red gram, that is Leguminaceae family, and the genus that is Cajanus, and cultivated species of this red gram, that is Cajanus indicus variety bicolor. This is the late maturing variety having large, tall, bushy bushy group plants and have the flower, the color that is yellow and dark color plots. Then Cajanus indicus variety flowers. This group includes early maturing varieties having smaller plants, yellow flowers, and the plain pods with 2 to 3 seeds. And they locally called as the tur. Then botanical description of red gram, that is root system. The root system of pigeon pea consists of the central taproot with the numerous lateral and secondary branches. The roots, the length of the lateral roots differ with the variety, and usually tall upright varieties produce longer and more deeply penetrating roots, whereas spreading type produce smaller or more spreading and deeper roots. Leaves are the trifoliately compound, central leaf foliate longer than the lateral ones, and the leaflets are the entirely or densely silk on the lower surface. And inflorescence of is an axillary raceme from often forming a terminal panicle. The size of the inflorescence varies with different types. The flowers are distinctly papilionaceae or the papilionaceous type, and in case of the late maturing variety, the flowers are usually grouped together at the end of branches. Next one, the pods. In case of pigeon pea, the fruit of is called as the pod. And this varies with length, width, and nature of the markings. The length varies from 5 to 10 centimeter. Width is 0.6 to 0.9 centimeter, and the pods are vary with color from green to dark brown. And sometimes the broad and the pendant with their tips pointing downward, while other they are quite erect. And the seeds are differing with the great deal with size, shape, color. Seeds are round or dense, shape or the color of the seeds coat being dirty white or silver to silver white, light brown to chestnut brown or dark mottled brown, and the pinkish black and the cotyledonous yellow color. This is the floral parts of this. There is ori, then gynoecium, then stigma, style, corolla, locus, then wings or pale of the pigeon pea. Next one, the groundnut. The botanical morphological description of this groundnut. The groundnut belongs to family Leguminosae and the genus Arachis, and the cultivated species, that is Arachis hypos, is divided into the two subspecies, that is erect or bunch type, that is Arachis hypogia subspecies fastigiata. This is a short duration yielding and the from dormancy, and the spreading or semi-spreading type, that includes the Arachis hypogia subspecies procumbens. This is long duration, late maturing or the dormant in nature, and the groundnut is locally called as vimo. The botanical description of the groundnut. The peanut is an annual herbaceous plant growing of 30 to 50 centimeter, the 20 to 20 inch tall. As a legume, it belongs to the botanical family Fabaceae, also called as Leguminosae, and commonly known as the bean or the pea family. And like most of the legumes, and the peanut harbor the symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria in their root nodules. The leaves are the opposite and the pinnate with the four leaflets, and the fall flowers are about 1 to 1.5 centimeter across and the yellowish orange with reddish veining, and they are born in the axillary clusters on the stem above the ground and last for just 1 day. And the ore is located at the base, what appears to be flower stem, and but it actually highly elongated floral cup. And the peanut pods develop underground as an unusual feature known as geocarpy. After fertilization, the short stalk at the base of the ori, the term as pedicel, elongates to form a thread-like structure known as peg. And the pegs grows down into the soil, and the tip, which contain the ori, develops in the mature peanut pod, and the pods are about 3 to 7 centimeter. This is the image which shows the above and the below ground. The below ground, that is pegs, peanut, and the root system, that is contain root nodule or nitrogen fixing bacteria. The parts, the peanuts seeds separated of their halves, showing the embryos with cotyledons and the primordial roots. The parts of the peanut include cell, cotyledons, seed coat, then radicle, then plumule. This is the floral parts, floral parts of the groundnut. that is banner, then wing, uh, hypanthium, ori, stamens, and this base of the stem. Then sesame, the morphology description of this sesame. This sesamum family belongs to Pedalaceae, and the genus is Sesamum, and the cultivated species, that is Sesamum indicum, is divided into two subspecies, that is Sesamum prostratum and the Sesamum laciniatum has been found growing widely, and the Sesamum is locally called as tea. And the botanical description of the sesame is annual growing 50 to 100 centimeter with opposite leaves of 14 centimeter, and the flowers are white, tabular or bell shape with the varying color, with being mostly white, blue or purple. And the sesame fruit, there is capsule, normally pubescent, rectangular in section, and typically growed with the short triangular beak. And the sesame seeds are small, and their size vary with the thousands of varieties known, and typically the seeds are about 3 to 4 mm long by 2 mm wide and the 1 meter thick. And this is a florobiology, the parts of the sesame, that is radical, this is a seed, they have a cotyledons and they have to germinate, that is radical, then cotyledons, then and this is hypogel type of germination. This is floral parts, that is corolla, stigma, and the style and the ori. Then cotton it belongs to family, that is Malvaceae, that is genus Gossypium, cultivated species, that is Desi cotton and the American cotton. In case of Desi cotton, this is Gossypium arboreum, Gossypium herbaceum, and the American cotton, that is Gossypium hirsutum and the Gossypium barbadens, and the locally called as the Kapashi or the Kapus. You can see the botanical description of cotton, that is size, as the plant size means it is a perennial upland crop, cotton with become a large shrub like herb, anywhere from 6 to 12 feet tall and equally as wide of the maturity. And the foliage of the cotton plant leaves looks like hearts with the pointed lobes, medium to deep green in color, and there is 3 to 5 lobes at the end of the leaf blade, which measures about 7 inches long and across. And the branching structure, there are two types of branching occurs in the cotton plant, that is vegetative and fruiting branches. Vegetative branches support foliage. From these vegetative stems will branch either additional long vegetative branches or fruiting branches. And the fruiting branches are short and terminate with flower that eventually yield the fruits that contain the fiber and seed. And the flowering, the plant typically begins to produce its flower after approximately 3 months of the age. According to in its tropical settings, the greenhouse where the cotton plant continue to grow year round. Then development of boll. Once the pollination completed, or plant is pollinated, the flower petals wither and the female pistil with 3 to 4 chamber ovary inside ripen to form a green capsule, they called as boll. This long spherical capsule contains a few oil glands, as well as many dark brown seeds that are encased in lint and fuzz. And the fibers we associate as the cotton are actually a matrix of singular long epidermal cells that are attached to the seed coat. You can say the anatomy of this cotton flower. This is a stigma, then petal, then anther, and the filament, there is a stamen, then style, bracts, then sepals or calyx, corolla, then ovary, and the pistil. This is today's practical regarding the morphological description of the important creep crops. Thank you.